Hello, and welcome back to Marcel Soaps. And this is a vintage tulip soap making video. This is the batch for the tulip flowers. I only made a small batch for the soap frosting, and it is only 200 grams of oil. I already put the recipe for the soap frosting in the description box, so please check the recipe. I didn't want to overblend the soap because then the soap will get thick faster and I would not have enough time to pipe the soap. I blended it to the very light trace and then I put the soap into the refrigerator. And this is what I got after 2 hours. And I had to wait for another 2 hours to get the consistency I wanted. Now, this is the tulip piping. First, I wanted to make bigger tulips, but then it was harder than I thought to pipe the petals, so I used a Wilton piping tip number 81 and piped tiny tulips. I also added green leaves around the flower, and they look pretty cool, right? This batch is for the base soap. The recipe for the base soap is the same as the one I used for the soap frosting. I divided the batch into two and then added green and white colors to the batch. I mixed the batches before pouring the soap. And then I put those flowers on the base soap. The problem is that I poured the soap at its light trace, so the surface was not fully formed. And I should have waited a little bit longer, but I just put those on the top. Overall, it was not that bad because I could slightly move the flowers after I placed them. But as I put the flowers, some of them sank a little bit into the soap, so the green leaves at the bottom didn't really show. I also made the tulip leaves. They are long and skinny, so it was interesting to see those leaves around the flowers. And here is the unmolding part. I was very happy that the soap came out pretty good, but I wish that I could add more green color to the base soap. But they are very beautiful and I really love the colors of the tulips. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye.